guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We're departing Long Island, but on the way out we have to do some things. Getting my hair done, finally getting it cut because the ends are getting a little dead there. And a glaze, which is what I always get. I have to stop by my local shoemaker because I'm going to ask if he could get my new bag treated with like leather protectant spray. I've actually never done this before for a bag. I feel like I've done it for shoes, but I got this bag, which I showed in a few vlogs ago from Bottega. Really just splurged. What's happening? But it's like a light color. I love it so much. It's like the perfect little mini tote. But I want to get it sprayed just because I'm nervous that it's going to get discolored really easily with it being such a light color. But how pretty is it? I love it. Oh my god. If you don't know, my family home, like where I grew up, is here on Long Island, but I live in New York City, so we're doing the back and forth thing today. The next few days are going to be pretty crazy, if I do say so myself. They're gonna be pretty crazy because I'm going to Chicago on Thursday to go to Lollapalooza. Very last minute, but a brand reached out to Danielle actually, and she was gonna take me as her +1, but then she was like, hey, I'm gonna bring Brooke, and then they were like, oh, Brooke can come too, and so now we both get to go. I'm going on Thursday, Danielle's going on Friday, just because I want to go for the whole festival, and Danielle is taking care of like some stuff at home. She's like about to move to New York. She's like in a very hectic state right now. I'm very impressed that she's coming at all, like very impressive. But I am so excited. I haven't obviously been to a festival in a few years now because of COVID and everything. I thrive at festivals, guys. I love it so much. So excited for that. Let's go swing by and then get our hair done and then go back to the city and do it all again. In prep for Lollapalooza, I've been listening to the playlist. These are just like, I literally just searched like the festival playlist. If the festival doesn't have one, I just look it up and make my own. But pretty cool because Miley Cyrus is going to be on Thursday and I'm freaking excited. Just dropped off the bag just at like a regular like leather shoe repair place. That's where they do it usually, so just an FYI. My hair girl Rachel just canceled because she thinks that she was exposed to COVID, so we're being careful. I'm just gonna head back to the city. I desperately do need my hair done, but I'll just have to suffer through another week. I did pop a pimple on my cheek, that's what that is, but overall my skin's looking pretty okay right now. I'm gonna keep listening to LOLLA music to get excited. Yeah. I'm getting ready because I'm gonna go to the soulcycle class. Got back to the city. I got my package from Beginning Boutique, which is who I'm going to Chicago with all of my outfits and stuff, which I'm not gonna show in this video just because if you watch the vlogs, like when I vlog there, I'm gonna show my outfits every day, so you'll see. But I just took out my big Calpac suitcase and I'm just starting to throw stuff in, not organize it, but like I got some dresses, some cute stuff. I also brought back, I got these literally my freshman year of college, cowgirl boots, like real ones. I went to like a cowgirl boot store and I feel like they could be kind of fun. You know, like I wasn't gonna go and like buy another pair, but I've had these in the back of my closet and I was like saving them for an occasion like this. And I think this is the occasion. I got like a cute white dress for the festival one day, so maybe like that kind of look for one day. And just throwing in stuff that I think of. Was doing all of that and cleaning my apartment, doing laundry while watching yesterday's episode of Love Island. Now I'm about to double fist some drinks. I did a noon right here. This is the Sport Noon for exercise. Just has like electrolytes. It's really hot outside today and I feel like I didn't drink enough water. Then I also wanted a Celsius, so I'll drink this first and then Celsius Tropical Vibe, which I like that flavor a lot. I'm wearing my new APLs too. Got these recently with some credit that I had on Revolve. I don't know, I think I like them. They're really comfy. Aloe biker shorts. This is like a Corral little workout tank. And then this is a Lululemon like high neck sports bra, which I will probably just spin in the sports bra and the shorts, but it's really hot, so like when I walk there, I'll walk in the tank. I don't know, maybe I'll throw on a sweatshirt, we'll see. A quick little like what's in my workout bag. I just bring this with me every time I go take a class. This is just like a regular canvas tote bag from Rent the Runway that I like, but you could do any canvas tote bag I like using. I have my spin shoes, so I don't have to rent them every time. These ones are from Team, I think that's how you pronounce it. TIEM. I really like them and I like having my own. It just like eases the process one step and do save money. My wallet, which I throw in there. Chapstick. This is the Casas Sport chapstick. And then I put in my keys with like my AirPods and my phone. And that's it. Oh, and my water bottle, which is just Hydro Flask that I always make sure I put a lot of ice in before I go because they do have like filtered water there, but I like to make sure I have ice in this so that it's cold. There's nothing like cold. And then I always wear my Apple Watch to track everything. It's just fun. I'm taking a class at 6:30, so walk over, in like 40 minutes or so. You guys, I randomly woke up at 5 o'clock because I couldn't sleep. So let's get the day started. Wow, I haven't seen the morning light in a really long time. The sun's been rising so early. This morning, sheets, putting away laundry. I was just getting today's upload prepped and ice rolling my face. I'm just wearing sweats, feeling a little puffy. I have to throw this out. Just opened up this package that was delivered yesterday from Philip Lim. And it is this little shoulder bag. It's like a nice black leather shoulder bag. I actually have lots of black like crossbodies but no shoulder bags, so I'm really excited about this. I keep changing into like comfy shorts and everything, but how cute is that? Oh my god, I really, really like it, guys. And I think you could take the strap off. Yeah, you can, and probably make it like a little clutch. Oh my god, it's like the perfect size. And I like that it is silver hardware because a lot of my bags have gold. Yay. I have a pimple patch on. I just quickly went in and sprayed my hair with some water and air wrapped it with like the blow dry I had. I'm starting to get tired now, but I could not sleep. I was like itching my bug bites randomly enough. So here we are now. It's just now 7 o'clock. We're recording the podcast this afternoon and I need to plan what I'm going to talk about and things like that. It's Tuesday, so a video goes up, packing, and I have to get some brand content in before I go to Chicago. I can't believe I'm going in 2 days. Like, that's so soon. I feel like I haven't done a big trip like this in a minute. I've done, I guess my Florida trip was kind of like this, but festival planning is always like more intense. I feel like I had to rush order some things like a clear bag and whatnot because, you know, they have like the certain policies of what bags you can bring. You're not even allowed to do a clear backpack. It just has to be a clear bag. So I had to order like this specific bag, but I'm excited. Getting really excited about that. Still drinking my matcha from a few hours ago. You could see how I made this in the last video I showed you guys. A little mini grocery haul. I'm so excited because I'm working with 1520. If you live in Manhattan or Long Island City, they will deliver your groceries in 15 to 20 minutes. It is amazing, and they actually have like really, really great brands on there. Like stuff, I feel like I would get this normally at Whole Foods. So I just ordered a few things for myself to keep on hand. I have like hummus, so I needed some crackers. I know when I get back from Chicago, the first night I'm probably gonna wanna make a cheese board, so I got some cheese board stuff just to keep in the fridge. My favorite sourdough bread, and I really wanna try sourdough bread with maybe some hummus and then some pea shoots on top. A frozen burrito to have on hand, lemons, and then oat milk to make my matcha, because I do like either almond milk or oat milk, and I'm about to run out of almond, so that's the haul. And check out 1520. This isn't sponsored by them, but if you use the code Brooke30, you get 30% off. It's obviously only for people who live in New York City, but a really, really cool delivery app that my friend Emma showed me. I shared it, and then they reached out to work with me. So we love an organic partnership. All ready to record. I'm calling Danielle now. Woohoo! Hello. It's a little bit later, and I'm gonna make some toast. All right, I'm actually taking some of this garlic and herb goat cheese, and I'm gonna do like a goat cheese toast. Thought this sounded yummy. Then the other one, this is going to be a hummus toast. I'm using Africa hummus. I'm gonna top both of these toasts with some pea shoots because I need to get my greens in somehow, so I'm gonna force myself to eat a bunch of them. I have all these things drying behind me, but I'm about to head out to go get waxed at La Virtue, getting my arms and my eyebrows waxed. I just got a package from my friend Coffee Bay 97. She came out with beans. She sent me the beans and like a whole pour over kit. She's so freaking sweet. Thank you so much, Vivian. You are the sweetest. I am so excited and so proud of you. So many of my friends are like launching brands and like doing big things. I'm so happy. So I'm really about to head out the door. I'm just gonna wear like this white tank with the yellow shorts, and I have the sweatshirt, and I'm just gonna bring my tote bag. And it's a long walk, but I haven't left my apartment yet today, so it's necessary. out the Lover 2 with Anna. I got my arms waxed and my eyebrows, which I'll show you guys in a sec, but come check it out in the West Village. Home now, and I'm gonna read in the bath. Literally my favorite thing to do until Love Island. So I have like an hour. I'm gonna take like a mineral bath soak for my muscles. Hi guys, next day. I just threw on this dress that I've worn before and I'm just wearing sneakers because I'm gonna be bopping all around. I'm about to go to Dry Bar and get my hair done. That's why it's just up in this ponytail. I have makeup on and stuff so that afterwards I am ready to go because I'm meeting my friend Bailey. She lives in Georgia, but she's up here visiting and we're meeting for lunch, which is good. I can do that today. I got some more progress going on the packing. I actually did, just bumped my leg. I actually self-tanned this morning too, which will probably continue developing over the next few hours. Hopefully that looks good. I used the Bondi Sands 1 Hour Express. I have like my airport outfit and then I have just random things. I don't know why I'm bringing bathing suits. There's really no reason to, but I am. I have all of my beginning boutique clothes in one of these packing cubes. I still have to like tighten things up, bringing my podcast mic, obviously. And I have a few more things coming in the mail, actually. I'm gonna bring this Cal pack as my carry-on, but I'll have time later today to do that. But we're gonna go get our hair done now. I just wanted to get like kind of everything in order before this festival. So, you know, like we self-tanned, we just got everything kind of under control. I'm putting on some chapstick, finishing up laundry too before I go, and just gonna bring my tan purse with me for the day. So I will get some clips on my phone of Dry Bar and lunch. We'll come back and get even more stuff done. All right, I am going to end the vlog here. I am going on a date before I go out of town. I got everything done today that I needed to do, like turned in and stuff, so I feel really accomplished. I was gonna go obviously no matter what, but I feel good. The best is like going out and not feeling like, I hate that feeling of like impending doom, and I don't have that right now, which is nice. I will show you my outfit. The tan is kicking in really nice. Aritzia bodysuit. These leather shorts are from Revolve. White sneakers, and then I'm wearing my denim jacket. So it's like casual kind of because it's still gonna be light out when I walk over. I will pick up the vlog again tomorrow and we will start the Chicago vlogs, but I love you guys so, so much. Thank you again for all of your love, support. You guys are the best, and I'll talk to you all super soon. Bye guys.